Hey guys, Kim here with Like Tesla. So this is not a video that I want to be making, but I also feel like it needs to be brought to Tesla's attention as soon as possible. We want to thank AP3 for supporting this channel. You guys might remember we had our Model X and our Model 3 wrapped, tinted, ceramic coated, and even chrome deleted, all by AP3. If you're ordering a Tesla in 2019, consider protecting your investment with AP3. There are coverage levels for all budgets. You can choose any wrap coverage from ap3atl.com and receive a $300 discount off ceramic coating for that same vehicle. Alright, let's get back to it. So today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. This is not a video that I typically make. It's gonna be a little bit different. As you guys know, I am one of Tesla's biggest super fans.
A little bit excited. I know, just a little.
But I also feel like I can't let my love for them cloud my judgment, and that would really be a disservice to all of you guys if I did that. Over the past 3 years, we have built up this platform, and I want it to be a place for all of your guys' voices just as much as it is for mine. Also, our friend Gali made a really good video called Tesla's Achilles heel, and I think that you guys need to go watch that video.
To Tesla's culture is chickens running around with their heads cut off. It's a company that's been growing like crazy. They're trying to do so many things at once. They're probably understaffed in every single division.
You guys have seen all the issues before. They're all over the Facebook groups. They're all over the forums. And frankly, I'm just sick of telling people that Tesla's customer service kind of sucks right now, but just wait until you get your car because you'll love it. So back in 2013, my mother-in-law became one of the first in the world to take ownership of a Model S, and she had the best experience ever. She said that she was treated like gold. She was coming from Mercedes-Benz, and it was unlike anything she had ever experienced before. And it really urged us to want to get a Tesla ourselves. So then a few years later, we get our Model X and become one of the first to get our Model X, where we started our YouTube channel.
Like, what's going on? And of course, you can also close it, and I'm sure you'll probably want to
drive with it open?
Can I floor it a little bit?
Yeah, go for it. Just give me the heads up.
Oh
Whoa.
my gosh! And it's going up a hill.
And don't forget, you can adjust like the steering mode. So if you
Oh
want to,
my
like, sport.
gosh!
It felt like we were a CEO the way we were being treated. And again, we experienced this amazing customer service, and that is partially what made us want to share our experience with all of you guys. Now, go back to my mother-in-law, who recently has purchased a new Model 3 a few months ago. You might remember she had been 100,000, and her experience now has been night and day compared to what she had back in 2013. She's had multiple negative customer service experiences with the company so far. So I wanted to make this video to urge Tesla's service and growth department to put resources into their customer service department more than any other area of development.
Yeah, so then you could just
Okay.
yeah, if you wanted to use like a thumb,
Yeah.
you could just kind of like, and then do one of those numbers too.
For deliveries, there needs to be better communication, and people need to get their delivery dates at least a week in advance for them to have time to secure financing, get trade-in values, etc. And the dates need to stay with what they are, because people rearrange their entire lives for their Tesla deliveries. They take time off work. Sometimes they have to get babysitters or even fly to another city for their pickup. As existing owners who love the brand and everything it stands for, helping with deliveries and sharing our experience can bring us so much joy. But from an outsider's perspective, having the company's CEO ask owners to help with deliveries can reflect poorly on the brand's image. Also, response times need to be improved in a big way. There's really weak communication across the board right now, with customers that have reported being left on hold for 30 minutes or more, or leaving voicemails and emails to various departments and never even getting a response. Having the platform that we do right now, we get all kinds of emails and messages from this happening to all of you guys out there. I'm sure this is partly why Elon wanted to take the company private. All of the media's attention right now has been on profitability, and I can't even imagine what that pressure would feel like for a new company. Adding the new customer service reps that are needed could potentially take away from that profitability. So it's like a tug of war right now with resources, and what do you even focus on first? The service department here in Atlanta has always handled our issues in a timely manner and worked really hard to please us. Is this because of our channel? I don't know, but that has been the experience that we have had so far. I do think they should continue to build up their mobile fleet and their in-house body shops. Also, I was recently told by a service department rep that they've struck a deal with Enterprise Car Rentals to give more Tesla loaners out, because more often than not, owners were getting gas car loaners while their cars were in service. Really, most issues, if any, are resolved with software updates. So you don't need to do anything. You just park your car, go to bed, and when you wake up in the morning, it's resolved. And this isn't just for issues, this is for improvements. As we mentioned in our previous video, Tesla even gives you an easy way to report bugs.
Oh yeah, right side of the steering wheel, push and hold the right button, you wait for that beep, and then you say bug report and just say like 2 sentences.
I mean, what other car can you buy that actually improves during ownership? None. Remember that these are growing pains, and if you love the company and their mission and everything they stand for, give them a chance to resolve their customer service issues. I also think it's important to realize how many positive experiences people are having in relation to the negative one. People are always more motivated to post those bad experiences they've had, and Tesla's marketing is all word of mouth, so posting only those negative experiences can be detrimental to the company. So I would love to hear some of the positive experiences that you guys have had as well. Please post those in the comments and make sure that you're putting those on the forums as well. So I agree with Gali, and I'm not overly worried about this because I think it's a pretty easy fix. It just takes shifting Tesla's focus from Wall Street to their customer service. Now, if you're a short seller, that's your prerogative, but we are in it for the long haul, and I really think that you guys should be too. So let me know what your experience has been with Tesla. Have you had good experiences? Have you had negative ones? What do you think that they need to do to help with their customer service? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. As existing owners.
I love you.
I love you, man.
I love you, Dad.
There needs to be better communication, and people need to get their that they should continue to build up their in-service, in-house service.
Lady's not in the background. Hovering around her car.
See what we have to deal with? I agree with Gali, and I think it's a pretty...
She's still in the shop.
I'm waiting.